Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download CapCut in laptop. So go ahead to your browser and type CapCut in your search. Press the second result, right? The free online video editor. Inside, all I gotta do is just hit the download button, right? For easier use. So I'm gonna hit download. Wait for a few moments. And all I gotta do is just hit save. Once downloaded, all you gotta do is just press the CapCut file. Right? You can see right here the CapCut downloader. Press it. And wait for a few moments. And CapCut will be downloaded to your PC or laptop. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.